Good morning, small players, and happy Thursday. It's almost 8 a.m., but the scanner only has three stocks on it. So, really, just one with over 1 million shares traded, which is BJDX. It looks like they're a pharmaceutical stock, and they basically just got some good news from the FDA. It's not even approval or good trial results, it's just allowing them to pursue a different avenue. But as you guys know, the gravity of the news doesn't really matter. What matters is the float these stocks have. So if it's a low float, even a little bit of news will send it flying, because just a little bit of buying is enough um, to get it to skyrocket, because there's not enough supply of these stocks. This level actually that it's bouncing off of now is important. BJDX, this 1.8. We can use 169 as a stop. So it's tested this VWAP a lot, but as you can see on these previous candles, it needed to dip way below VWAP in order to finally get buyers. But then this is a very good bullish candle. Now shorts are showing that they have strength. We have a double rejection on 195. If this one goes up and rejects 195 again, that's a short setup. And at that point, I would expect a flush to this level of EMA 20. And then I would trade a bounce on that EMA 20, so we can also make that bounce setup. For that, I would just have my stop below 150, which is just a big psychological level because it's a $0.50. For this setup that now is failing, we use this as a stop because it's previous support, but it was tested twice, so a third test is weak. It could save us, but we'll see. So the next one is WEJO. Oh, this one actually, I like this chart a lot, even though the volume's low on the day. It definitely has enough volume now. There's no spread, so it's a mover. What happened here? Oh, okay. They have a deal with Microsoft. You guys remember that whenever either one of these small caps has a big name related to it, it's just such a big it's such a big catalyst, because it gives them validity. We can use the flat top here as a bounce there as an entry. So it used to be resistance, a flat top. Now it should be support as it's coming down, and we can just have our stop below VWAP. Balance there, or even if it goes to touch VWAP, that's why we have our stop below VWAP. And then the next one is CYN. We actually love this stock. When it moves, but right now the volume's too low, so it might not do anything today, but I'm going to set an alert for break above 1.4. And then if it does break above that, at some point we will be able to trade it. Then let's see what the general market is doing. So another choppy day. You guys know we talk about this when the market does this up, down, up, down, up, down. It's hard to trade these inverses. It's just, it's not hard. You can still chart out the levels and you can still enter on those levels. It just, they can reverse against you quicker and, really take you out. So right now I'm not that interested in trading the SQQQ and TQQQ today because there's just no direction. Then let's check FU2U. There's a very big resistance here on 46.75, so I'm going to send an alert for break above that. TIGR, I'm going to send alert here for break above 535 and remove it from the watch list. The volume's too low. Maybe, you know, it happens another day, but that's a very clear level on the chart. EFOI seems like it's done. It had a multiple day run, but I'm going to send alert for break above 2.8 if it happens at some point so we can get those shorts squeezed out. And that is it. The other ones don't really have volume. I'll leave this one on the chart, but then, yeah. Slow warning, but that's fine because we talk about it often. If there's less things to watch, then one thing pops up and it's the obvious thing and everyone's trading it. And then we know that the attention will be there. Okay, I will see you guys in the chat room.